Okay, now the camera is recording. Okay, we try to take off again this time. With everything's actually filming. That's a real behind the scene. Let's do it again. Okay, now take off.
Hello everyone, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. Today I want to show you another quick sample video of the brand new Insta360 ONE X. This time though, it is an aerial 360. I attached my Insta360 ONE X onto my DJI Mavic drone with a custom-made vibration damper and a safety mount. This is a test to show you two very specific things. First, it is the flow state stabilization, as flying on a drone is one of my ultimate tests on how good is the stabilization on a VR headset. As you all saw my other drone test video, and the old Insta360 ONE is failing this test compared to GoPro Fusion. So now you see how good is the ONE X in this extreme test. Again, please follow my other drone tutorial to have a safe flight preparation, and don't try this at home unless you watch my flight tutorial and know all the key points of flying a 360 camera with a drone. Safety comes first. Second thing is, this is the world's first real test footage of the Insta360 ONE X in 5.7K graded log mode. Before that, the ONE X can only export 4K using iPhone. Also, it is shot in log and graded with the official LUT without any extra touch from me. So this is what you will get when the desktop studio app is available. This is sunset, and the sun in Southern California is really strong. So it is also a great test on the dynamic range of this little camera. So again, look for stabilization quality and image quality in this 5.7K Insta360 ONE X first flight journey. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this test video. The next video, we will be back in 2D, and I will analyze this video and tell you what I think about the flow state stabilization, compare it to GoPro Fusion, Kendall Coolcam, and other 360 cameras. As you all know, I do the extreme test on stabilization, so no BS can go under my test. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell when that video come out. If you like this test, give me a thumb up and share it with your friends on social, and keep creating. 360 Creator Level Up on Creator Up.